Glam Sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello to the new Beauty Glam Sisters. Welcome to my channel. My name is Danny MUA. Oh my god, guys, can you believe it's Halloween already? Oh my god, today's the 1st. So today I'm gonna do a scary clown makeup tutorial for you guys using liquid latex. So I'm gonna go from this to this. So if you guys want to see how I create this look, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give it a big like. That really helps out my channel. Alright, let's get started with the latex, and make sure you don't put it on hair. Make sure you try out the latex on a little part of your arm, just in case you're allergic to it. You could do different things with alternate products. Maybe with Elmer's glue instead of latex, liquid latex. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna hide my eyebrows because we don't want to take them off when we peel off the latex. I'm gonna use the Elmer's glue purple. It dries clear, so that's good. So I'm gonna hide both eyebrows. Wait, I'm gonna do one eyebrow and the other one off camera so I can save room on my phone to keep recording for you guys. Alright, so what I do first is one layer. Then I grab my Morphe M221, which is like a little metal brush, and then just comb your hairs out, comb them up. Let that dry. Okay, now that it's dry, I'm gonna go in again with my Elmer's glue, and this time I'm gonna go up. Now we let that layer dry. It's gonna be a lot of drying in this video. Now that it's dry, do it one more time to make sure to catch all those strands that didn't get caught. Alright, so everything is flat. While there's still glue on there, I'm gonna grab a little bit of the Airspun and I'm gonna pack it on there so it can stick. A very generous amount too. Hairs are still flat. Since it's just Airspun, I'm gonna use my Morphe E41 to dust all this extra powder off, and all you should be left is with that. Alright, so I'm gonna go do the other eyes. It could look like this, and I'll be right back, okay? Alrighty, now I have both of them on. The next thing I'm gonna do is grab this NYX Milk pencil and do the outline where I want the liquid latex with the cotton. And I'm gonna start off by, alright, so I'm gonna do this. Well, you don't have to color the brows, but because they're gonna go red anyway, so it's a good thing you can see it though. Go up and come down. But make sure you don't get too close to the eye with your latex. There's one. It's one eye. Now I'm gonna do the lips, and then I'll do the other eye off camera. So the lips is gonna be like really, like almost close to my actual lips. And I'm gonna go down right here. Like that. And then I'm gonna trace this out. About right there. Same thing with this side. Alright, so I'm gonna trace those two like that. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Even. Yep. Down. There you go. I'm gonna do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, I have the other eye. The other circles I'm gonna do for the nose, I'm gonna do one right here at the bottom. Oops, that's too big. So we have this little trusty milk pencil. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the nose. Alrighty, let's get started with latex. Alright, so you're gonna need some cosmetic wedges. I got these from the dollar store because they're disposable, so. And you're gonna need some liquid latex. And I got this from Walmart.
Shake it.
And also, you're gonna need some cotton balls. All right, so we're gonna put the latex on our little pan, and we're gonna get started with placing the cotton. And I just put a little bit because I work with it and I don't want it to dry. I take my time. So I'll start off with this eye and a little bit of the mouth so you guys can see how I do it. Also, you will need a little spatula. So grab a little wedge and place right there where you put the outline. And then you're gonna grab a little bit of the cotton ball, not so much, but you know, like enough, and just place it right there where you put the latex. And you're gonna grab a little bit more latex and put it on top of the cotton. This is the part that takes forever because you have to let it dry and make sure you don't mess up because then it'll look funky. Don't do it next to your eye, like really close, because I'm gonna grab this to reshape that and get it away from my eye. I'm gonna use the flat side, not the sharp side. This is the sharp side, as you can tell. Flat side, okay? And I'm gonna do that through the whole thing. Get some latex and then place it on the thing, the outline, all over. Cotton, latex, cotton, latex. And then grab your spatula and make it flat. Don't forget, it's not gonna be a pretty clown either. It's gonna be an ugly clown. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of the eyes, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, I kind of forgot to push record, but I did do the other side, and I kind of forgot to push record. So sorry about that. But it's pretty much the same thing. What I did to this eye is what I did everywhere. I just have to open it up so it can be the smile. And all you do is you just lift it up. And do that everywhere. So you can insert the blood and stuff right here. Don't do it too much because then you don't want to peel everything off. There you go, pulling, it opens up. Pretty much what you do, just open it up. Alrighty, now that it's all done and set, I'm gonna grab a little bit of the RCMA to set the base so it's gonna be so shiny. I'm gonna grab this Morphe again, hope it doesn't get ruined, and just put it on the latex so it'll be shiny. Alrighty, now that I did that, I'm gonna grab the cream makeup, and I got this one at Walmart for 98 cents. Another one of those cosmetic wedges, put some on top, and start going to town where there is no liquid latex, so pretty much the outside. I don't know how many layers you might have to put on, but just work with it. Build up if you have to. And I'm gonna make it more wider because I'm gonna put some of the RCMA translucent powder in clear, which is like white, so we'll be good. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect because it's supposed to be a killer clown, so. Alright, the whole face is done. I'm gonna grab the same sponge and I'm gonna go in with the RCMA to set this whole face with the powder.
Alright, so I found my e.l.f. brush. I'm gonna use that too. Powder. Alrighty. Next I'm gonna grab this red from Walmart. Again, cost me 98 cents. And I'm gonna grab this brush to color in the eyes. And all I do is just put it on there. Little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. See? That's all I do. And then I go under the opening. And you can't see my eyebrows, so that's perfect. Okay. And also I'm gonna color it in the little circles right here. In the mouth too. Now that it looks like that, don't forget the nose. Can't forget the nose. That's the most important part. Don't forget, it doesn't have to be clean because it's gonna be messy. So I'm gonna grab my Morphe M506 with the electric palette, and I'm gonna go in with the blue color, this blue color right here. That one is Gonzo, and I'm gonna go on the outline of the eyes. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, it's a scary killer clown. You can do that all around the eyes. Same thing all over the other eye too. I'll be right back. I'll do the other one, I'll be back. Alrighty, the other eye is done. I'm gonna grab the same red one I used, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black. Alright, I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette and the E36, and I'm gonna go in with Black Rainbow, which is that one right there, and I'm gonna underlight the lips. Alright, so with the same color, I'm gonna do a little bit around the nose. Bit of dimension to give it a pissed off look. The last step is blood, so I'm gonna add a little bit of blood to the inside of the lip and a little bit in the eyes. And I'm gonna use the same one that I used earlier. This is zombie blood. Alright, now that I did this, all I have to do is put contacts in and I'll be right back, and then you'll see the final results. Alrighty, Beauty Glam sisters, that completes the look. And if you guys like this look, make sure you smash that like button. And don't forget to give this video a big like. Share the video. And continue being a Beauty Glam sister. I appreciate every single last one of you, Beauty Glam sisters. Alright, Beauty Glam sisters, happy Halloween and have fun creating this look. Alrighty, Beauty Glam sisters, the contacts are gray. I'll leave the description below what website I bought them from. They came in like 3-4 days, I don't remember exactly, but they're good quality. They scare me and I'm just wearing them. And alrighty, Beauty Glam sisters, till next time, bye.